boys and girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar. We have Sam Fischer here, Carry It Well. So, great song here. The challenge here is all the chords, otherwise it's very easy. We're just gonna work with downs through the entire song, so very easy to take you guys through the song. So let's start with the capo here, set on the 2nd fret to have the easiest chords possible, and we'll start with the chords. So the G, that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. A minor, open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Then the B minor 7, that's a bar chord here, a bar on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. So 5 strings if you count from bottom up. And then the rest will be 4th on D and 3rd on B. We have C next, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. D, that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. E minor, so open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And then final chord will be the D, but with an F sharp in the bass. So that is 2nd on E, then muted A, which I'm muting with my finger I'm using here on 2nd E. Just leans on top of it, and then the open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. So that's the chords, and like I said, just down. So I'm just gonna take you through the different parts here. I'm gonna mention the chord and the number of downs you're gonna play. So let's start with the first verse. It's G3, then DF1, then E minor 3, then D1, and then C3, B minor 7-1, and then A minor 4. You play that for 2 chord progression rounds, and that will be the first verse. Alright, then we are at the pre-chorus, but no one seems to know any better. That's where we're on the lyrics. So we're gonna go with C2, then B minor 7-2, and A minor 4. And that you repeat for 2 rounds, and that is the pre-chorus. And that takes us to the first chorus, okay? So we're gonna play G2, then the DF2, then E minor 3, D1, C2, B minor 7-2, and A minor 4. All that you repeat for 2 rounds, and then we are in the end of the chorus in the lyrics, cause I thought, and from there you're gonna play C2, B minor 2, A minor 4, and then you end with C1, B minor 1, and A minor 1. And then a vocal part that ends the chorus. Okay, so that takes us to the second verse. It's played in the same way as the first one, but it's only half as long, so it's only 1 chord progression round. So same otherwise as the first verse. The same goes with the second pre-chorus, played in the same way as the first one. And the same goes also with the second chorus, played in the same way as the first one. The only difference there is in the end here, the last chords, the C, the B minor, and the A minor. You're gonna play, instead of playing just 1 down of all these chords, these last 3 chords, you're gonna play C2, B minor 2, and A minor 4. Otherwise, same as chorus 1. That takes us to the bridge part. Don't I Carry It Well? That's where on the lyrics. We're gonna continue with the downs only. So you're gonna play G3, then DF1, and then E minor 3, then D1, C3, B minor 1, 1 and A minor 4. And that is the bridge part. And then comes the third final chorus. It's played in the same way as chorus number 2. And that differs a little bit from number 1. Remember, the ending here was C2, B minor 2, and A minor 4. That's the only difference. So playing the same way there as you just played the second chorus. And that takes us to the outro part. Don't I Care It Well, G3, DF1, E minor 3, D1, C3, B minor 1, A minor 4. And that's how Fischer ends it. Carry it well. So good luck with this one, guys. A great way of practicing chord progressions. Don't have to think that much on your right hand, just down. So yeah, good luck. Play tuned.